Hi, welcome to day 4 of solving lead code for 100 days. So at this point, I'm just trying not to break the streak. The question for today is maximum product subarray. Given an integer nums, find a subarray that has the largest product and return the product. So as you can see, these are the test cases given. So nums is equal to 2, 3, minus 2 and 4. Output should be 6. So let me try to solve this now. Next, I initialize the maximum element to 0 initially. First, I'll run a for loop. If nums of I, if that is greater than the max which I have initialized, then what should be my max? Max should be equal to what? Nums of I. So let me first do this and then. So I'll compare the product of conjugated elements with the max. If that is greater than max, what should happen is max should be equal to what? Max should be equal to max should be equal to nums of I into nums of I plus 1. And so I think I have to use another for loop here. So let me just do that. Let me include another for loop here for. No, let me just do somebody else's. Okay. Now what I have to return is I just have to return the max. So let me just run this code and check whether it works or not. So as you can see, it has passed both the test cases. Now it has passed both the cases, that is test 1 and test 2. Now let me just try to submit this. So as you can see, I just mentioned that if nums of I is also not equal to 0, then the max should be equal to nums of I, as it failed the previous test case. Now let me just try to submit this. So as you can see, it is failing this test. So let me try to do it using other logic. So first, let me initialize the max element to the nums of, that is the element is present in the 0. Let me initialize, let me assign the value of the element is present in the 0th index to max. Now I'll take n will be equal to what? Const of length. Now let me use a for loop. I less than n plus plus. Now let me just take a variable named product, which will be equal to what? Max initially. And let me use another variable named j, which will be equal to what? 1. Let me increment this. And what will my product be equal to? Product will be equal to what? Product. So let me just do this product. Now let me multiply this product with nums of j. So initially what should be my product? It should be equal to 1. So now let me just compare with product. If that is greater than the max which I have taken, then what should be my product now? So if product is greater than the max, then max should be equal to what? Product. Okay. Now let me just, before running the code, let me just run the code. So before running, let me just run this code and check whether it passes the test cases. So as you can see, the code which I had written second time actually failed at this case 1 itself. So let me just try to, write another code. Let me try to do that now. Let me try to do that now. I have failed many times. So I have used I have copied this ChatGPT code. So before, running this code, I have to know how this code works. So before directly running this code, let me check how this code works and let me just see how the output will come. Then I'll run this code. And now let me start analyzing this code. I have taken an array named nums. So as you can see in the code given, first what is my n? N is equal to what? Nums.length. So in this case, what will be my length? 4. Next, what will be my max value? Max will be equal to what? Nums of 0. So in this case, what is my nums of 0? Nums of 0 will be equal to what? 3.